So how can we teenagers, young people, can like spread this in a like whole new manner? Like how can we just spread this awareness about this thing?
First, the platform you are using and doing this right now, it's one of the way. Second way, you have to talk. You have to talk. You have to talk with your friend. You have to talk with your parents. You have to talk with your whatever people interacting. You must talk. People generally relate it with weaknesses. If you say, if you ask someone, I think you are having depression, people will say, depression for what? किस लिए डिप्रेशन, किस बात का डिप्रेशन? There is nothing called this बात का डिप्रेशन. अगर किसी को मलेरिया होता है तो क्या आप पूछते हो कि किस बात का मलेरिया? आप नहीं पूछते. तो डिप्रेशन भी एक बीमारी है. तो बच्चों को जरूरत है, किड्स को या फिर किसी को भी और गार्जियंस को भी, कि दे शुड टॉक अबाउट इट. द कम्युनिकेशन इज द बेस्ट वे टू स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस.
Okay, communication is the most important way here. Okay. So like not all the kids, like we are talking about youngsters and teenagers, so like or not all the teenagers are really depressed and have mental issues, but some of them act it out to escape work or study. So like how do you recognize that people are acting that they have mental issues?
Actually, if you are saying this, you are basically indicating a particular disorder. In psychiatry, it is known as malingering, feigning or malingering, that you are feigning some illness to avoid some work. But most of the time, these disorders are not as such recognized in kids, because for that you have to have a very pertinent and very high cognitive ability to feign the mental illness to avoid some works. These are the work of basically some criminals, politicians. You must have heard कि भाई एक साहब पॉलिटिशियन के यहाँ रेड पड़ा तो उनको हार्ट अटैक आने लगा, उनको घबराहट बेचैनी होने लगी, तो वो है मैलिंगरिंग. तो बच्चे जनरली मैलिंगरिंग नहीं करते इन जनरल. हाँ, सम इश्यूज में आते हैं, कहीं कहीं पे ये हो सकता है, बट ये बहुत लिटिल बिट है. उसको मैलिंगरिंग डिसऑर्डर या फिर फेनिंग कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है. ठीक है. जनरली अगर आपको बच्चों में इस तरह की चीज दिखती है तो यू हैव टू सी और यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द चेंज. There is behavioral change and that behavioral change is consistent over period of time. So ये हो सकता है कि mental issues.
Oh, okay. So this doesn't really happen in teenagers, but some are very smart, so that can like very rarely it happens. So like some people have, they have like in India, I think it happens very much that people like refuse to visit psychiatrists because they think that मैं पागल हो गया, like I am not पागल. Okay, उनका अलग meaning होता है कि ये हमको गधा समझ रहे हैं. So like yeah, so even like if they are really happening, that some things are happening to these people, so how do we like have like that early detection of these mental issues?
Like I earlier said, you have to see everyone in the house, the parents, mainly parents, they have to watch the change. Is there any particular change is happening in their kids? Change in sleep, change in appetite, change in behavior, change in studies, change in marks over the period of examinations. Not single change. Over the period of time, अगर आपको एक change दिख रहा है, behavioral change, so first change आपको जो मिलेगा generally वो होती irritability और sleep में disturbances. So sleep disturbances and mood disturbances मूड स्विंग्स, आप अगर इसको रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाओ, देन यू आर एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज द अर्ली सिम्टम्स ऑफ एनी साइकियाट्रिक इश्यूज.
So I have heard that like mood swings are generally happen with old people too. Like I don't know. Like, I've heard that this happens in teenagers period, right?
Mood swings are most common in teenagers,
Yeah.
but these are normal in their developmental phase also. But during this developmental phase, the mood swings, if these mood swings are very persistent over a period of time, and it is hampering their work, their sleep, their appetite, their social interaction, then it needs to evaluation. It needs for evaluation.
Yeah. Like that happens in a like it happens more often. Like that shouldn't happen.
Yeah, more
Yeah.
more than 15 days, 1 month, 2 months. Then you must keep a watch and you must try to evaluate or seek help.
Okay.